to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
Y'all check it out. I got me and Raw. We finna go pick up this Trailblazer SS. Tell them what the business is, Raw.
Yeah, man, we about to ride all the way down here to Prix, you know what I'm saying? Pick up this SS Trailblazer 07. You know, already know what it gonna probably look like. Y'all stay tuned.
Y'all see we got the empty trailer. We on our way. We down here. Where we at?
We like
in between Montgomery and Mobile. Evergreen, Alabama. Kind of look like we're
exit 93.
Exit 93. Kind of look like we're in Florida with the little palm trees there. We getting down to the bottom. We ain't made it yet though. Y'all see the Montgomery Mobile sign up there. I'll show it to you. We're riding down I-65. If it don't be dark, by the time we get there, I'll cut y'all back on. But if it be dark, I'll wait till the morning, show y'all the truck. All right, we just handled the business, got the SS on the trailer. I'm gonna wait till the morning to do a walk around because y'all know these GoPros, they don't shoot that good at night. I'm just gonna walk around right fast and show it to you. Down here in Pensacola, Florida. Gonna be a nice build here. Y'all stay tuned in the morning. I'll cut you back on and give you a walk around.
The next day.
Alright, we down here in Pensacola. Got some sunlight. We picked up the Trailblazer last night and it was dark. I told y'all I gonna put y'all back on once we get some daybreak. Me and old Raw here. What you think about the 07?
Hey man, y'all see what it is, man. We got this SS 07 Trailblazer. You know what I'm saying? Got the nice motor in it. SprayWay gonna fire it up, let y'all hear how she sounds. We picked it up last night, man. You know, down here in Pensacola, Florida. Got a good deal on it.
Yeah, I gotta do a little work to it, you know. Ain't nothing major. I'm gonna get in here and I'm gonna pop the hood and crank it up. Don't hold the camera, Raw.
Alright, I got you. It's got the single pipe on it. I thought it would have had dual. If anybody know about that, y'all know what to do. Jump in the comment section. Show y'all up underneath the hood.
It ain't nothing spectacular to look at. It ain't nothing spectacular, you know. Just a regular Trailblazer SS. We might put old Raw up in it. What y'all think?
Man, I might take this thing, man, and do some burnouts, man. You know, make it do what it do. Y'all want to see the inside a little bit, but it's a little nasty. But you know, we can show y'all a little inside a little bit. It need to be cleaned up, but for the foremost stud, the interior. For the foremost stud, the interior on it is good. As you see, the dope pretty good. You see the panel on this thing right here, real good. Seats.
Yeah, the interior look pretty good, but look like they've been they used it for a smoking house. They got all kind of blunt wrap. Look at all this here. And she took some of that earlier.
Oh yeah, see. Yeah, they was smoking in here. Yeah, y'all know what it is, man. Hey, but hey, look, you know, other than that, I mean, the vehicle is in great condition. Just need to be cleaned up, detailed.
But dang. Yeah, this was a smokehouse, yeah.
Got a sunroof in it.
I might need to throw out this way.
Yeah, you need to get rid of that. Got the sunroof in it. Let me show y'all the back seat.
What you do with the title? It's in the truck. Yeah. The seats look pretty good though, to be honest with you.
The seats they ain't got no rips and tears in them. For an 07, that's real good. See the exterior? Yeah, that's that stuff here. Well, you can tell what's all in here. Look at all that stuff Sprayway getting out of here.
I need to throw away all this stuff. Yeah.
Got the back cargo area.
Y'all think we ought to bring this to the channel? Y'all let us know in the comment section.
Y'all heard
Stay
Sprayway
factory
say.
with it or put a little color on it. Y'all let us know. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Y'all will be seeing the car again.
What's the name of y'all shop? I'm gonna put you on video. What's the name of y'all shop and name, phone number?
Best Price Tires.
Best Price Tires.
Located now.
Pensacola, Florida.
Pensacola, Florida.
Yeah, Pensacola, Florida. Y'all see they got tires of all sizes. We made a pit stop, me and Raw.
Y'all know how we do it.
Go ahead and get that tire changed out. He almost got it.
We putting in
It's
work
good
all
service
day.
here, good service. Y'all see changing it out on the trailer.
Actually, let me get those 210 stacks. Now that my money, I forgot I had his money.
As long as they ain't counterfeit, they trying to rep it. I'm gonna have to come back then.
You done handled the business looking raw.
Huh?
You done handled the business, ain't you?
Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? We done got that thing paid off, you know what I'm saying? We got it, you know what I'm saying? It was $60 to get that done, you know what I'm saying? It was all worth, it was all good now. Tire almost brand new.
Gonna go on and hit the road now.
Everybody get back on the road, y'all.
We appreciate your business.
Appreciate y'all.
Hey, man,
Nice.
see you, man.
Nice to meet you. What's
Okay,
your name?
Marvin.
Marvin, nice to meet you.
My name's Ross.
Check out Sprayway Customs.
For sure.
You gonna see you.
Tap in with y'all.
All right.
For sure.
I bet.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped. Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up. We right from the bottom, right from the